Hi guys, you are welcome to our channel. First of all, I want to use this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Mrs. Christy Uduze, the CEO of the Siwa Exotic Designs. The CEO of the Siwa Exotic Designs. I want to let you know that we are bringing fashion to your doorstep. Distant learners and close ones are all welcome. I have a lot to offer on this channel. I have some fashion tips that I really want to educate our people on. But before I start, the very first important one is the use of our tape roll. How well do you understand your tape roll? How where do you take you can make use of your tape roll? Because if you understand your tape roll very well, you will sew clothes that fit perfectly well. You can't sew good clothes without know your tape roll very well. You don't work on assumption when you use the tape roll, but a lot of people work on assumption. It says that these lines, the short, the middle, the long ones, all have their functions. But we discover that a lot of people just approximate. We are going to be teaching on tape roll on inches, not centimeter. I discovered that a lot of our people understand inch is more than centimeter. Because of that, I decided to do my research and work on our tape roll first to know our tape roll. This 1 inch you are seeing here, as small as this, is divided into 8. You can take your tape roll now, cut those lines, the very first line here, the second one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 lines on 1 inch. So each line has its sole role to play when cutting clothes. That is what I said. We first of all teach you how to make use of your tape roll in order to achieve a good result and a perfect work at the end of the day. This is our YouTube channel. We just open it. And I want every one of you to support us, share, like, and subscribe to this channel, because I actually have a lot to offer. I have other things that you can learn if you are ready. I have my course outline that will follow. Is it fascinators you want? Is it hard fan? Is it bead making? Whatever you feel you want to learn from me, you let me know on my DM. Thank you. We'll see you on our next topic on how to know your tape roll.